Porta potties on DC construction sites are designed for one user. OSHA mandates safety standards for compliance. Each unit supports 10-20 workers per shift. Contractors must provide one toilet for every 20 workers. Focus on worker-to-toilet ratios, not concurrent use. Monitoring usage helps plan service schedules and avoid violations. Non-compliance can lead to fines up to $15,625. Adequate sanitation boosts productivity and compliance. Proactively plan your restroom strategy to ensure worker access and meet regulations. Avoid project delays. Contact Immaculate Portable Restrooms to assess your needs now.